Are we ready? Anong pagutana? Andam na bata? To reopen the economy. Because to reopen the economy means everybody understands their obligation. And that is to keep themselves safe, clean, following the minimum health standards, and more than anything else, our system in Bohol is ready to absorb visitors again and ready to process the garbage and to keep Bohol clean.
Isip ko sa visual artist, na dasig ko aning paggama aning mga artwork, isip sa pagpadayon sa akong advokasya nga gisugdan kabahin sa pagpalimpyo sa tubig sa baybayon. Padayon ta para sa sunod pang henerasyon mapreparan para nila.
Actually, we are very happy for the initiative of the Bellevue Resort for initiating the International Coastal Cleanup. And the Coast Guard, this is really our commitment because it is part of our mandate, the Marine Environmental Protection.
So we have been doing this every year. Nakakihapoy basura ng makuha. Hoping for the next year na mapilpod niya ni. This is our advocacy yapon sa among station.
And so as we confront all of these major issues, COVID-19, moving forward, I'm very happy that this morning I join you and you are showing the way. Not only adults, but also children are showing the way. So congratulations to everybody. Let us indeed show the way that in the coming days, we are responsible for our lives. We are responsible for the safety of our family. We are all responsible for keeping Bohol environmentally safe, clean, and sustainable.